Hi guys, welcome. This is Azharulak. We are discussing pivot table as strong decision making tool. By learning this tool, we become a strong, fastest decision maker on the basis of the data available. Here we can see in the first session we were here to we draw here. These are our salespersons. These are the uh, performance they have performed in the units. Mr. Abdullah, Mr. Adnan, Aslam, Jamil, Mr. Peter, all have sold the units in their respective areas of the country. Let's suppose that they had this one target. We have written manually here. The targets were given to Mr. Abdullah. He sold 60 units and the target was 70. He is in minus 10. And Mr. Peter, he sold 96 units and his target was 90. He is above 96 was units, his target was 90. This what this formula is. Then let me calculate the formula. This minus this, enter. He has a positive sign. I will have to see the formula is working well. In formula, I think there's problem in formula. Minus this one is equal to this is equal to this one. This one is actual sum minus this one the target. This one you can see the here we have the target and target given. This one it's okay. It's okay. Some units minus target. He is shortage of 10. With minus, the people who are with minus sign, you can correct the formula. Units sold minus target is equal to difference. If the difference is in negative, it means that this specific salesman has not achieved his target. And the persons who are with the positive sign, there may be problem with the signs, you can correct it. The persons who are with positive signs can be seen as they have achieved their target and they are well performer, and the company which want to take a decision on the basis of this performance can take immediately. uh, when it's calculates the it's in actual performance, then the target given will be written here and the difference will be taken here. In a 2 minutes you can calculate the performance target they have achieved. The people who are poor performers will be given punishment, or you can say they will be not rewarded as much others are rewarded. It is the formula with best decision making tool, you can say. Let's go further. If we remove this one working we have done for this specific purpose, next step is here maybe we can we click here, it will come again here. These were this was the performance in units. We can also take the performance in the shape of profit, the profit earned by the each sale representative. And here we can again we can produce a target, and here is a difference di I have written here. Suppose this person had seven. This target and difference is now the profit. Target and difference is in monetary terms. These were in units. These are in monetary terms. This one profit he has earned. This was his profit, and the difference is, if you can apply formula, the difference is in the form of this one. difference is this one minus this one. This salesperson is in minus, it means he has not achieved its target. And the same formula, the same targets you can write here, and you will have the differences here. If you have in positive sign, it means that person has achieved this target in rupees terms and currency terms. If it is in a negative, it is he has not achieved his target. This is the how we can analyze the performance of the company, of our representatives, their targets, their actual performance they have done, and revise the schedules and relocate the people in the areas where we need best performers, and also take a decision of new inductions, and also some people who are not performing may be uh, expelled from the company. This is how we can do our analysis here. I hope you have understood. Take care. Thank you.